Before you begin the hard drive removal portion of the CyberSpa Fresh Start service, there are a few things you need to be conscious of. First and foremost, you need to have a clean, flat surface to work on. Anti-static floor mats are highly recommended. You'll need the proper tools with which to remove the screws. In most cases, a small Phillips head screwdriver is appropriate. It is essential to have a bowl or bin in which to keep screws and other extracted items from the machine. There is no real uniformity when it comes to a laptop's hard drive location. Each manufacturer generally has a varying location. However, the majority of the laptops you will encounter will have a similar hard drive location to this Dell Latitude model, that being on the side with the ability to slide out. Once safely removed, the hard drive is now ready to be inserted into the workbench.